Have you ever wondered about the most innovative bridges in the world? Bridges are more than just structures. They are symbols of human ingenuity, connecting not just places, but also people, cultures, and histories. Over the centuries, bridge construction has evolved from simple log crossings to sophisticated engineering marvels. Today, bridges span vast canyons, connect islands, and even cross countries. They are testaments to the progress of human technology and our undying fascination with overcoming obstacles. The art and science of bridge construction have come a long way. We've transitioned from using stones and ropes to steel and concrete. The techniques have become more innovative, the designs more awe-inspiring. One such marvel of engineering innovation is the Sidu River Bridge in China, a bridge that stands as a testament to human creativity and the relentless pursuit of progress. Today, we delve into the story of one such marvel, the Sidu River Bridge in China. The Sidu River Bridge, an engineering marvel, stretches across the Sidu River in China. This extraordinary structure, nestled in the rugged terrain of the Hubei province, is a testament to human ingenuity and determination. It's a real-life manifestation of the phrase, "Where there's a will, there's a way." Now, imagine a bridge soaring more than 1,600 feet above a river, longer than a mile from one end to the other. That's the Sidu River Bridge for you. This colossal structure, once the tallest bridge in the world, is a sight to behold, a symbol of China's rapid modernization and technological prowess. But this bridge's story isn't just about its incredible size or its impressive height. It's about the daunting challenge that the engineers faced during its construction. The Sidu River Bridge spans a vast canyon, a natural barrier that posed significant difficulties. The construction team had to find a way to string the bridge's cables across this enormous chasm, a task that required creativity, innovation, and a bit of daring. This is where the Sidu River Bridge story becomes truly fascinating. The solution to this challenge wasn't found in traditional construction methods, but in a field one might not immediately associate with bridge building: rocket science. Yes, you heard that right. Rockets were used to string the pilot cables across the canyon, a groundbreaking technique that saved time and resources compared to conventional methods. What makes this bridge unique is not just its size and location, but the innovative approach to its construction. The Sidu River Bridge is a shining example of how challenges can be overcome with a bit of out-of-the-box thinking, a testament to the limitless possibilities of human innovation. It's a story of turning the impossible into possible, of bridging not just physical gaps, but also the gap between imagination and reality. The Sidu River Bridge, a seemingly impossible task, started with a daring idea. The unimaginable expanse of the Sidu River Gorge, with its precipitous cliffs and dizzying depths, presented a colossal challenge to engineers. How do you bridge a gap that spans over half a kilometer and drops down more than 400 meters? The traditional methods of bridge construction seemed almost laughably inadequate against such an imposing obstacle. The initial planning stages were a whirlwind of brainstorming and calculations. Engineers, architects, and construction experts huddled over blueprints and terrain maps, their minds churning with thoughts of tension, compression, and gravity. The Sidu River Bridge wasn't just a bridge, it was a battle against the forces of nature. The canyon's width and depth were formidable foes. The vast gap meant that conventional methods of stringing pilot cables, such as using boats or helicopters, were out of the question. The sheer depth of the gorge added another layer of complexity, making it impossible to build temporary supports from the canyon floor. As the challenges mounted, so did the pressure. But instead of succumbing, the team behind the Sidu River Bridge did something extraordinary. They looked to the stars, or more accurately, the technology used to reach them. The idea of using rockets, a technology that symbolizes mankind's indomitable spirit and desire to conquer the impossible, emerged from the crucible of this pressure. The concept was simple, yet audacious. Rockets could be used to carry the initial pilot cables across the gorge, eliminating the need for boats or helicopters. This innovative approach would not only overcome the challenges posed by the canyon's width and depth, but also save time and resources. And so, with a bold vision and a touch of rocket science, the plan for the Sidu River Bridge was born. This audacious plan marked the beginning of a new era in bridge construction. The Sidu River Bridge was no longer just a bridge. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a symbol of our ability to defy the odds and transform the impossible into reality. Rockets, typically associated with space exploration, became the key to building the Sidu River Bridge. This might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but it's a real engineering marvel that took place in China. The challenge was to string the pilot cables across the gaping canyon, a task conventional methods could not easily accomplish due to the vast expanse of the canyon and the challenging terrain. The solution? Rockets. Yes, you heard it right. A technology that has been carrying humans and satellites into space was deployed to build a bridge. Now, let's delve into how this innovative idea came to life. The first step was to prepare the rockets, small, lightweight, but powerful enough to carry a payload of pilot cables across the canyon. These pilot cables were not your average cables. They were lightweight, yet strong, designed to withstand the rocket's thrust and the harsh environmental conditions. The preparation for the rocket launch was meticulous. Every detail was checked and rechecked. The trajectory of the rocket, the wind speed and direction, the weight of the pilot cables, all these factors were taken into account. The launch site was chosen carefully, ensuring a clear path for the rocket across the canyon. Then came the moment of truth. The rockets were launched, carrying the pilot cables across the canyon. The sight was nothing short of spectacular. The rockets soared high, tracing a parabolic path across the sky before landing on the other side of the canyon. And voila! The pilot cables were successfully strung across the canyon. The rockets had done their job. The engineers on the project could now proceed with the next steps of the bridge construction, installing the suspension cables. This successful launch was a crucial step in the bridge's construction. It was a testament to human ingenuity, a perfect example of how stepping outside the conventional box can lead to extraordinary results. The rockets, in this case, truly came to the rescue, proving that the sky is not the limit when it comes to engineering marvels. With the pilot cables in place, the next stage of construction could begin. This stage was all about replacing the pilot cables with the bridge's suspension cables. But this was no easy feat. The suspension cables are the backbone of a suspension bridge, supporting the weight of the deck and distributing the load to the bridge towers. Each suspension cable was made up of thousands of individual steel wires, bundled together to form a mighty strand. These strands were then tightly wound around each other to form a single mammoth cable. This process required precision, patience, and a whole lot of strength. The engineers faced a significant challenge: the sheer weight and size of these suspension cables. Each one weighed several tons and was hundreds of meters long. Transporting and positioning these cables across the canyon was a daunting task, but as always, the team rose to the challenge. To overcome this, the engineers used the pilot cables as a guide. The suspension cables were painstakingly hoisted up, thread by thread, using the pilot cables. This process was slow and labor-intensive, but it ensured that the cables were accurately positioned. Once in place, the suspension cables were then anchored to the bridge towers. These anchors, made of solid steel, were designed to withstand the immense forces exerted by the cables. They were securely bolted into the bedrock, ensuring the stability of the entire structure. The replacement of the pilot cables with the suspension cables was a monumental task. It was a process that took months of hard work, determination, and engineering ingenuity. But when the final cable was in place and the last bolt tightened, the team could finally breathe a sigh of relief. This marked a significant milestone in the construction of the Sidu River Bridge. The skeleton of the bridge was now in place, setting the stage for the next phase of construction. The dream of spanning the Sidu River was one step closer to becoming a reality. Following the successful installation of the suspension cables, the final stages of construction could commence. The next step involved the construction of the bridge deck, a crucial component that bears the weight of the traffic that the bridge would eventually host. The deck's construction was no small feat. It was designed to withstand heavy loads and the harsh environmental conditions of the region. Made from reinforced concrete and steel, the bridge deck was engineered to ensure maximum strength and durability, while maintaining a minimalistic design that complements the bridge's overall aesthetics. Once the deck was securely in place, the team moved on to the installation of the bridge towers. These soaring structures, reaching high above the river, serve as the primary support for the suspension cables. Constructed from high-strength steel, the towers not only provide structural support, but also contribute to the visual grandeur of the Sidu River Bridge. Following the deck and towers, the final stages of construction were set into motion. This involved a series of rigorous safety checks and quality assurance processes. Every inch of the bridge was meticulously inspected to ensure it met the highest standards of safety and performance. It was a time of anticipation and excitement as the team neared the end of their journey. The finishing touches were added, the final bolts tightened, and the last pieces of scaffolding removed. Each step was a testament to the team's unwavering commitment and the countless hours they had put into making the bridge a reality. And then, the moment everyone had been waiting for arrived. After years of planning and execution, the Sidu River Bridge was finally completed. A marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity, the bridge stood proudly over the Sidu River, ready to connect people and places, and to stand as a symbol of progress and innovation for generations to come. Today, the Sidu River Bridge stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of innovation. Towering majestically over the Sidu River, this remarkable feat of engineering has not only transformed the physical landscape, but also the lives of those in the local area. For the residents of Yesangguan town, nestled in the heart of China's Hubei province, the Sidu River Bridge has reduced travel time significantly. Previously, crossing the river involved a lengthy detour that was not only time-consuming, but also fraught with danger. Today, the bridge provides a safe, convenient, and efficient route, fostering connectivity and facilitating economic growth. Beyond its practical functionality, the Sidu River Bridge has garnered international acclaim for its innovative construction process. The use of rockets to string the pilot cables across the canyon was a first in bridge construction. This ingenious method not only saved time, but also precious resources, setting a precedent for future projects worldwide. The Sidu River Bridge has thus become a symbol of engineering innovation, a shining beacon of what can be achieved when we dare to think outside the box. More than just a bridge, the Sidu River Bridge is an embodiment of the relentless human spirit. It stands as a reminder of our ability to overcome even the most daunting of challenges. It is a testament to our capacity for creativity, our thirst for innovation, and our unwavering determination to make the seemingly impossible possible. The Sidu River Bridge has indeed left an indelible mark on the world of engineering. It serves as a source of inspiration, encouraging us to push the boundaries of what we believe is achievable. Every time we traverse its expanse, every time we marvel at its grandeur, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity. The Sidu River Bridge, a marvel of engineering, reminds us that with innovation and determination, no challenge is too great. In the world of engineering, the Sidu River Bridge holds a special place. This marvel of modern construction, nestled in the rugged terrains of China, has carved its niche by leveraging the power of rockets in its building process. A first of its kind, it revolutionized the way we approach bridge construction. The journey from conception to completion was marked by innovative solutions, and the use of rockets to string the pilot cables across the canyon was a game-changer. This method not only saved precious time, but also conserved resources, setting a precedent for future projects. The transition from pilot cables to suspension cables was another remarkable feat, bringing us one step closer to the finished bridge. Today, the Sidu River Bridge stands completed, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of pushing boundaries. The Sidu River Bridge, with its innovative construction, stands as a beacon of human ingenuity, inspiring us to push the boundaries of what is possible.